What's up, people? Today in this video, we are going to create super cool, aggressive shakes on Filmora Mobile. Very easy and simple to create. First, place all the clips onto the timeline and adjust the clip's duration to half a second. Then go to the effects. Then go to the glitch, scroll down, and apply the FL02 effect. Adjust the duration according to the first clip duration. Then make some splits and remove the splits which is not required. Move to the second clip and select Add to Add Effects. And from Basic Effects, select Extreme Effect and apply it. Then adjust the effect duration according to the clip. Once again, click on Add Effects, go to the Shake folder, and apply New Pulse Shake 3 effect and adjust the effect duration. You can add more shake effects if you want to create more shake. Now duplicate the Extreme Shake effect and place it under the third clip. Then copy the Pulse Shake 3 and place it under the third clip. Now repeat the same process and copy and paste effects under the rest of the clips. Click on Add Effects and go to the Retro Effects folder. Apply Retro Effect 9 and place it under all the clips. Then move out, place the playhead at the second clip start. Select Adjust from menu and increase the exposure, white balance, brightness, and highlight. And click OK. Then set the adjustment layer duration according to the clip. Now, at the start of the adjustment layer, add the keyframe, click on Edit, and set all values to 0. Then after a few frames, click on Edit and increase the exposure, white balance, brightness, and highlights. Again, after a few frames, set all value to 0. And then again, after a few frames, increase exposure, white balance, brightness, and highlights. Duplicate the adjustment layer and place it under the next clips one by one. Then duplicate the adjustment layer again, and at the start add a keyframe, increase the exposure and brightness, and shrink the duration, keeping it to a minimum. Then duplicate it and place it under the other clips at the start and end. Go out to the main timeline and add transitions. The transition I used is Simple Roll. You can add shake transition or zoom transitions to create variations. When you play your clip, you will get super cool aggressive shakes. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome tutorials. See you guys in the next video.